Young bakers, what did you do today?
Puff party sticks.
Wow. So, what did you learn today?
We learned how to make puff, how to glaze with chocolate and pink chocolate.
So, can I have a look at what you have? What did you call it again?
Puff party sticks.
Shall we see your party sticks? Your puff party sticks. Can you raise it up very well? Hold it, hold it, hold it. Wow, this is nice. So how much is it going for?
1,000 naira.
Wow. Hey, business people, my business young bakers. You can see they're already starting their business. Well, so this is one of the things I'm talking about. Let our young bakers come in, and yes, business has started. All right.